Hello and welcome back to Chapter 6, Lecture 12. So what I like to do is importing the background image so we can see what we want to create. So I go to my reference images and celandine, just importing it. This image is from the Pixabay, a lovely source of free images, and I found this one. So you can see these green leaves and we have yellow flowers. We're focusing on the yellow flower later. First I like to put the leaves in line. So the magic is you start with one, just putting it right there, and you just want to twist it in a circle right there, and one over here, this one, cool. Alright, so when we look at the bottom, you can see it needs some improvement. So I like just to rotate it and just make this bigger. Putting it right. Let's even change that. You want to have a sort of a flat. Now it's hanging stiff in the air, but I want to move this a little bit. That's the most beautiful result you can achieve, in my opinion. And hit it and rotate it. It shouldn't be all in the same heat. Just randomness. Something like this. And one extra tall. Alright. And why not duplicate this one and remove most of the stem and putting it right there. It needs to hit the origin to have good control. There you have it. Alright, let's go for a preview. We haven't done anything on the material, so don't feel bad about this. Proportional editing, yeah. Just want to remove the stiffness of this leaf. It's a little bit weird. Alright, so not bad at all. So let's keep this flower for now, and I want to focus on the yellow flower. So as you can see, this texture has the yellow ones, so I go to Add, Mesh, and Plane. We're putting the plane in position and moving this a little bit upwards. Edit mode, turn off proportional editing. Oh yeah, and recreate this shape. Well, this is a very easy one. Alright, and the bottom part as well. And feel free to use a lot of vertices because the flower needs to be looking good. Alright, and 1, 2, 3. Alright, one more together. Shift D, wireframe, if that helps you. Probably it will. And just putting it in position. That one. Just great. And we can continue. So one more, and then I'll pause the video. And a bit taller. And something like this will fit. These ones need to be more inside. And these ones as well. Alright, so 3 more to go. Good luck, and we'll pause it. So we have some beautiful small yellow flowers, and the same as the celandine leaves, you make separated objects. Just like this. P, selection, and there you have it. So you can continue doing this. I will pause the video. Alright, we have all separate objects. I like to hide the background image, so it was a little bit distracting. Let's select all of these leaves and select Shift left click on one of these celandine leaves and share the material. And you should name it. Very important. So left click on one of these yellow leaves and go to edit mode, and we want to have an image projection. This works a little bit different because I moved these, so we have to put these in line by hand, and it's just lagging a little bit. That's really hard to see for these. Alright, perfect. And smaller. And some have the green, some have less of this green stem on the lower part. But overall, try to match it as good as you can. I mean, it's such a very small leaf detail. Blender will forgive you if you do not match it exact. Alright. Well, that's it. So we have the texture, material preview. Look at that. Beautiful. And we're going to take a closer look at the celandine leaf. And you can see the viewport is lagging a little bit. I don't know why. And as you can see, when we zoom in, they are curved as well. So let's try that out. So there you go. I like to select the middle one, same as always. And that one, press G. O, proportional editing. Let's go to the solid view. Yeah, I think it's because the material preview was selected. We had to slow down. Alright. And no, just two of them. Because we want to recreate this curviness. Yeah, and these as well. And select that one. You need to have a lot of patience. Right, and set the shade smooth. It's important though after the final. Oh, twisting. That was a twisted leaf. Alright. And objects, shade smooth. And same as the celandine, we need to put them all together. And first, let's move them a little bit upwards. Same for these. You want to do that. And try to match the origin. Turn off proportion editing. And these ones as well. Alright. And make this flower. Put them more inside of each other because you do not want this hole in the middle. There will be a stem, but that will be small as well. That one. Just a quick check. Material preview. Perfect. Maybe a little bit more upwards. Yeah. Great. So this is the end of this lecture. In the next one, I will make a stem for the yellow leaf and combine this with the green leaves. All right, thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture. Bye-bye.